And in this case, I updated the get_ignore file in to avoid any files from the IntelliJ. And let me check. Post parent is working, and I'll add that post parent into my post service so I don't have to keep adding multiple dependencies everywhere. So that the reason I created the post parent is that so that I can have common dependencies at one place, and I just can use I can just use the post parent everywhere. And okay, let me add the post parent in here. Copy this, put it over here, and refresh it. Okay, and I hope I can getting Resilience 4J, Jackson, Spring Boot. Okay, and let me put main. Let me have this post initial rename as post initializer. And file initial post in it is enough. Post on it, yeah. And post in it is enough for this. And let me just erase all the code, rename this file. What? Undo. Make main rename class. Okay, that is what I wanted. That is what I wanted. Now, in this case, we will just put Spring Boot. I don't want any tips. Thank you. Add Spring Boot application. And add Spring. And I want this. Okay. This will be posting it. Okay, get local. Add exception to the method signature. I want log4j2. And there are certain things that I'm just copying from my previous code because I think that is irrelevant to be shown over here. And there are certain I'll explain it to them what they are. But before that, let me just copy them. Copy, paste, paste, paste. Okay. Yeah, add them. Okay, so application YAML file. This is just a connection to the database. I'm keeping this virtual threads enabled true. Application name as student. I don't know. Wait. Server servlet context path should be post service. This is the context path that we'll be using. This should be port number 1 since this is the first service. This is true. Application name should be post service. Data source right now it's not required. JPA and all this is right now it's not required, so I'll be just commenting them out. And the way I comment out is selection mode, and what selection mode is on, and all selection mode is on, and just put this over here off. Server URL is no, not required. This is for connecting to our server. Now it's not required. Anyways, this is enough for this service. Now post in it, I just want, okay, this is for the logging purpose. So I added this for asynchronous logging, and this is the actual log file, log configuration file. Anyways, I'll be posting it on the GitHub. You can read it over there, but it's just a basic log4j configuration required. I'll be using this to post all my distributed logs to the Elasticsearch. I'll be showing you later on. I won't be putting that into file rolling file. This is just a commented out because we aren't be using any file based logging. In this case, we will be putting all our logs into Elasticsearch. I'll be showing you that as well. And the only thing right now pending is just making this work. Enable annotation processing. And hope this works. Oh, what? Fail to configure a datasets URL. Okay. POM. Go to parent. Go to parent. I don't want college parent. I don't want college parent. I want, oh, wait a minute. I don't want this. I want my post. I want my post parent. Yes. Or post. Yes. Please. The reason the error existed or it came about is because if you use a JPA, a Spring Data JPA dependency in your POM, which was existing in that college parent, it gave me that error because it was expecting some sort of a database URL in that case. And since we have commented out in the post parent, that is the reason. I'm hoping it won't be coming out again. We cool. And this is one of the reason I'm not editing these videos is because if I get any error and if I edit them, you won't be able to figure out what the error would be if you get it. Hence, if I face any errors, I would be just solving them over here so that even if you face those errors, that'll be helpful for you as well. So yeah. This video ends over here, and in the next video we'll see adding URL controllers and services and data DAOs and everything. That's it for now. Thank you.